We'll guide you through how to use your built-in webcam in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So the built-in webcam is really convenient to be able to use because you're then able to go and have a video call potentially, to go and take a profile picture, to go and record things. You can do what you want to with it. So we're going to guide you through how you can go and set it up and use it. So what you need to do is you want to come to the bottom of your computer and go and find the Windows Start button. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for settings. You can search for at the top, and then what you can do is you can go and scroll down on the left and go and find privacy and security. In here, you can go and scroll down to app permissions and find camera. You want to go and switch on camera access and also let apps access your camera. You can go and choose the specific app here as well. I have these all switched on and let apps access your camera as well. Now, when you go into an app where you could use a camera, you should be able to go and choose it from the drop-down list and go and start using it. So for example, we could press search at the bottom and I can go and type in camera like so, and you can then go and click on it here, and this allows us to go and use it. So if you go and have a slider at the top of your computer, you may need to go and slide that one way in order to go and start using the camera, but mine is already open there. So that's it. We can go and take a photo and start using it.